So greetings to one and all, like everyone here. We, my team, have did a DIY called Detector Circuit, wherein we can detect the whether a person is calling, and from the instant from which he has called to the instant where the call has been displayed in this receiver's phone. That short interval can be detected using this circuit. Let us have a look at the circuit diagram. So this circuit consists of a op amp called a CA3130, and then an antenna and a lot of filters, and then we have a transistor which acts as a switch, and the output is derived from this LED. So comparing with the circuit diagram here, we have the op amp placed here, and then the decoupling capacitor here, and then we have the LED output here, and we have the switch which is a transistor BC548, and the capacitors here which are aligned as seen, and they are wired as such. And this is the antenna which I am using. This is a 22 standard wire gauge wire, copper enamel coated wire, and this is our setup, and we have a 9-volt battery supply. Now I'm gonna call myself to show you how this works. So I've started calling. I'm calling again. Now I'm gonna call a person from my phone. As you can see, from the instant from which I started the call and to the instant wherein the person has received the call, it has been shown by this LED. And then when the person receives the call, in this display, it will turn off. What are the limitations of this project? The first thing is the range of this project within which it detects a call is very low. Another thing is that it can only find the transit period between when a person makes a call and the call is received by the phone. And then this can be further improved in the future, like we can use it combine it with microcontrollers, and to further improve it to find the radiation levels and further pinpointing a phone's location using GPS and GSM modules and so on. And so this even though a small project has a mini project, can be expanded into mega project. Thank you.